Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is David. You're watching Adventures of David and Ann, and today is Vlogmas day number 7, and today we are going to make some bourbon cream candies. This is going to be a refrigeration type of candy, so here's what you need for this recipe. A half a cup of butter. You're going to need 1 cup of shredded coconut, 1 cup of pecans. You're going to need a can of the Eagle brand sweetened milk, 1 bag, which is equivalent to 2 pounds of the confectionate powdered sugar. So, what you're going to do, you're going to need a mixing bowl and a wooden spoon. You're going to take the nuts and you're going to soak them overnight with a half a cup of Kentucky bourbon, your favorite Kentucky bourbon. You're also going to take another half a cup of bourbon and you're going to pour it into your shredded coconut. Let the coconut and the nuts absorb that bourbon. The nuts you want to let sit overnight so it will absorb as much bourbon as possible. Prior to making the candy recipe, you can dump the bourbon into your shredded coconut. So, first ingredient you're going to add is the powdered sugar. Take some scissors. Dump it in the bowl. Then you're going to take your butter, pour it in. You're going to take your milk, your Eagle brand milk, open it up, pour that in, I'll get my spoon. Take your spoon and pour all that Eagle brand milk into the bowl. Then you're going to take your coconut, dump it, wash your hands prior to doing the candy. You're going to take the nuts. Woo, you can smell that bourbon. Then you're going to start to mix it up. And just continuously just keep mixing it. Once it gets to a point where the texture starts to get a little, see how the texture is changing? Then you're going to take your hands and really mix it up. So as you notice, as I'm mixing it, get all that powdered sugar into the candy. Alright everyone, so after you mix up that mixture of the candy dough, if it seems to be a little liquidy or the texture is not thick enough to roll little balls in your hand, you can add some more shredded coconut or you can add some more of the powdered sugar. After you mix the batter up, you want to set it into the refrigerator overnight. Get up the next day, you're going to roll it out into your palm of your hand and you're going to have these little candy balls. So another option that you can also, 2 options. After you get your dough and you roll it out and you make these little balls, you can get some Hershey's chocolate cocoa and mix it around into the Hershey's chocolate cocoa until the candy ball is all the way covered. You can also do the same thing with powdered sugar. So just mix the candy, place it on parchment paper, and then after your candy is made, you want to place it back in the refrigerator. So just to give you a couple examples, that's what they look like. So everyone, we hope you enjoyed the bourbon cream candy recipe. It's a really nice recipe for the holiday time to give to your neighbors, or if you have some family over this year, you can place them out on the table after they've been in the refrigerator. Simple, easy, fun recipe. Please follow us on our other social media at Adventures of David and Aaron on Instagram. And you can also follow us on Twitter at Adventures of DNA. And remember everyone, enjoy life, make it an adventure, and we'll see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day number 8. Bye everyone.